darlings, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Darling Anita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Well, today's video is a special video. It's all about the unboxing of the Delta box. If you do not know, I am a Delta girl. Been a Delta girl since 1992. Graduated and pledged at Lamorne College here in the great city and state of Memphis, Tennessee. So let me give you a little information on the Delta box. The Delta box is a monthly subscription that you do get faithfully. Pay $49.95 a month, and the box, the payment faithfully comes out the first of each month. And I normally get my Delta box anywhere between the 15th to the 21st of each month. And each month it has a certain theme that the Delta box will be focused on. There have been months when it will focus on just like whatever's going on in the world. When we were going through so much justice for Floyd, it focused on that. When we were getting ready to go into the voting, it focused on voting. It focused on women empowerment. It's just a great box with great themes that caters to whatever's going on in the world. So enough of all the rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and get going with the video, but I do want to show you this shirt. Put this down. This shirt is one of the shirts that did come out of the Delta box. I'm not sure if it was in the June box or the May box, but this is one of the shirts. I do love this shirt, and also I love it because it has our symbol on the end of the sleeve. So again, a great shirt. All of my boxes are a medium, and then they also give you the option if you need to return it. You do get a return packet in your box. So let's go ahead and get going with the unboxing. Now, one thing I love, if it's coming in wrapped nicely, hey, I know whatever's in there is going to be on point, because if it's something of value, something of good, you're going to make sure you put it in the box. You're going to wrap it right. Now, so that what makes me know that this is going to be something that I'm going to look forward to. So now understand that I have never seen what's in the box. You and I are going to be looking at this together, okay? All right. Now this is the inside of the box. It has wording from our president, and then I also love the wrapping paper. The paper is so nice, and I was talking to one of my line sisters, and she was explaining to me she keeps her paper. So a celebration for a sister, she always recycles her paper, which is a good idea. So I'm gonna try to do that, but I don't rip up the wrapping paper. So let's see what is in this box for the month of July. All right, so know that I do not have my glasses. I'm gonna try to read it. It says success is a series of small wins. Wonder what that means. Okay, so you're gonna see. And then this is the card that I was telling you guys about, that you can always return it if it does not fit. So that's there for you. Okay. All right, so I know this is a shirt. A Delta girl can never get tired. Not enough shirts, as an FYI. All right, let's see here. Oh, this is a nice shirt. I am getting ready to go on vacation, and this is most definitely will be a shirt that I can wear. It is white on one end and red, and it's crisscrossed. Well, it's not a shirt, but you know. I love that. I can't wear this. Some white shorts. See, I'm already thinking ahead. I'm thinking ahead. Let me put this down. Okay, so what is this another shirt? Like I said, a Delta girl can never have enough shirts. Let's see what this one is. It's not a shirt, it's pants. It's pants, so eliminate the white shorts. It is pants to go with my shirt. So most definitely I am wearing this. You know what? I can wear this in the airport, walking in the airport. Yay, with some white tennis shoes. Yay. So this goes with the white shirt also. Now also remember, I am a size medium if you are interested in knowing. My box is a medium. Alright, so there is one more thing in the box. Matter of fact, there's two more. Alright, I'm going to get this one. This is hair ties. Delta hair ties. It is in the colors of red and black, which is nice. Well, I can't wear my hair in the ponytail, but when I put my hair in the pineapple when I go to bed, I can most definitely wear these. This is nice. Okay, I wonder what they're trying to say about this thing. Okay. Alright, so this is the last one. 5 bands. Oh, this is like exercising? Okay. Oh, this is a nice container to put it in. Okay. Alright, so. Oh, I think this is for exercising. Here's one band. It says, "Don't stop now." Here's another band. "Keep it moving." Oh, this is for exercising, I know. What does this say? "I can and I will." Nice. "Finish strong." Is this something like the Olympics or something? It gotta be pertaining to exercising, I know. And then the last one, "No pain, no gain." So these are bands. So I don't know how I will wear these bands. Where you will wear these bands? I can't wear them on my head. I don't know. But you know, so Roz, if you're out there, tell me, what are these for? How do we wear these? Do we wear them around our waist? Tell me what these for. But I love these. These are great words of encouragement. These are great. So I can see me putting one at my desk at work. I can and I will. Most definitely, I like the "I can and I will." And the one that says "Don't stop now." Most definitely, these are things that I most definitely need when I am at work, when they get on my nerves. So great. But so Roz, if you're out there and you're watching, tell me how do we wear these? I know I can't wear them over my head because my head is not that big, but it comes in a nice case. I probably would need to read my card, but because I don't have my glasses with me, I can't see the words. It just says I just see 5 bands. But again, so Ross out there, tell me what it is. All right. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Very short, very sweet. This is a special extra video of the week. And I just wanted to let you guys see what I did get in the mail from my beautiful and awesome, I love my sisterhood. I can't wait to see you guys. I just pray and hope that you guys are doing what you have to do regarding COVID. Please continue to wear your mask. Please go get the shot. Don't worry about the shot. It's going to hurt me. It's going to destroy me. It's something that we all need to get back to normal. If you're going to worry about something, you're not keeping your full 100% faith in God. God is not going to do anything that He is going to hurt you or destroy you. So go ahead and take your COVID shot so I can get back to having activities with my sisters because I miss them. Okay? But anywho, thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe. I do upload videos every Sunday. And then I also have an Instagram page. Follow me there. And then I also have a blog. Go ahead and follow me there as well and subscribe for that. Know that you're beautiful from your head all the way down to your toes. And know that you're loved. You're loved by me, but most of all, you're loved by God. Until the next video, I want you to stay safe and stay beautiful. Bye-bye.